tingkah ha yam ong menteri ketnat jengok kai perthei ubak pol lengdo bat kwa ubak pol yaki kenhun penyak taksi jong ke Meghalaya bat asam ban penbet yaki jing air ong bagasoka ke kershan yaki taksi ke jela kikubor kibabnya kaseng National People's Party kalajiat ya MLA ka arak samgre u limasan di sangma na kabenta ka syuki sembut lampang jong kayeng darbar tauan ke jela Meghalaya u sangma ula tep kerteng menta ka sengi u deitang ma u kertong u bala aireng namar bagi kenhun kaliang persya kila rai ban sei kertong ya ke election la bo bakan long haga khat artrik unai lur haga juk ke porpant u menteri rang ba ke jela u konrat ki sangma ula kershan ya ke rai jong ka seng ula ong ba kaseng kala shim yakane kawai karai hadien ka jingmir jingmut ka berjalan
we've discussed with different leaders from the party and after discussion we felt that he is a very senior person and keeping his seniority in mind and also his experience in the government and in the assembly. So we feel that he would be a good person to be in the post of Deputy Speaker.
Nongelam kaliang persya umukul sangma lo kento persya ikarai jong kesoka jela ban siu tulop na lede yakinong trei jong ki district council na duk ke shitrik unaiwing. Usangma ulayatu hakinong patai kubo mentag sngi bala shim yakini karai klem kenu ke jinge kren bat ki weipat ki seng sain pertai. Uneu menteri rang ba berim jong ke jela ula keno ba kesokar MDA kala penkela kam san hima sima yaki jing e haki district council dakaba kala persyang ru ban pentlot pensuai yaki kendon kat kum keriti sensyar ri ki batmu ban yadai ka jinglong kerpang ki jaj ban riu lom
they already said that from 1st of November they will start giving the salary from the government directly to the employees of the district councils. There was no question of any discussion or any engagement. It is a knee-jerk response because they know that this issue is coming up in the House, so they had to come up with the terms of reference. Why didn't they give the terms of reference earlier? What was preventing them from engaging with the ADCs or with any political party? No one is ever accepted. You can bring out that kind of paper and notification anytime, post-dated, pre-dated, or whatever, impromptu.
Katanat jengokai perthei jong kejela ka pelet jingmut haga ban wanra igi jakasa ki beremdor bak ban kentie igi kam jengokai ki bakam kerpang. Menteri ubak polling do mentag sngi ulayatu bak jingtrei ya ka yeng besar remdor lane ka 5-star hotel ha yam kan sedang no mentau snem. Kani ka projek basis pak san poklur tingka bat pendep ya ka hapo laisnem. Menteri upentep ru bak soka kala dep ban penbej ya ka jaka bat utrai jong ka deulendong ha kani gepung.
Location of 5-star hotel at Umyam. So what has happened now is that the Lom Pongdeng island, which was previously with Michael's aim, he has agreed through the mutual agreement with the Department of Tourism to relinquish his claim over the land in order to facilitate the creation of this 5-star project. So there was a settlement with him, and that island will now form part of the iconic 5-star hotel project, which is spec'd somewhere around 155 crore rupees. And work will commence within the current financial year.
Menteri Ketnat jengok kai perthei ubak polling do ola ai jengmut bagi dekot jong ke Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association kidai banyak keren bat kinong elam jong ki kenhun penyat taksi na Assam kenang bakin poi haka jengis ngotu jengmut lang. Kani ke jeng ai jengmut jong ke soka kalami haka po bagi kenhun penyat kali jong baro arteli ki jela kila berngem banyak hi persya. Ubak polling do mentag sengi ula kentu ki nongelam ke All Khasi Tourist Cabs Association banyak keren halo ki jeng e jong ki bat ki kenhun penyat taksi na Assam haga jaka ban lej dawa syaka sorkar. Ula banjur halo ka jing kershan jong ka sorkar na ka benta ki kali ki bana ka ni ka jela.
Coming to the government, they have their counterparts in Assam with whom they meet on a daily basis and have an agreement whereby they provide the service of transportation and in return they give guests to stay in the various hotels, resorts and homestays. That would be the most ideal solution. And people in Sora will listen more to local Khasi driver association than they would listen to somebody from Assam who they cannot even have a proper conversation. So it's a very simple solution. I don't know why they are trying to create an issue out of a total non-issue.
Kidon buon ba ki jing duna ki bapau shena apo ka ai narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances lani ka NDPS Act but ki hun khai drug ki la shim kabu ya kania la ong u mukul sangma mentagasngi unia unong lam jong kaliang persha ula penpaw ya ka jing khuslai jingmut jong u halo ka jingjor shu jong drug pada ula kenturu ya ka jing trailang bante la kam ya kania ula penpaw ru ya ki jing e ha ka be dai ba ki khna red bat ki samla ki belangat ha kania ki jersi.
How the space within the framework of that law provides the enforcement agencies, the authorities, to utilize this law to create a deterrence. If there are people who are looking at, smuggling and peddling of drugs as a lucrative business, the moment they are confronted by the authorities and the moment these provisions of laws are applied on them and they'll end up in soup, that becomes a strong deterrence. Therefore,
Umukul sangma ulakran halo ka jingja ka badang suggestion na kamat ka skatriad maulakin tu ya kibo badai khimi bakinwat banyak na dong shadong ha ka be dai bat u mibanshem snaitang uba snaitang ula syakyam makatayo baladab haringkat bat khat arngut ki weipat na ka benta ka jing perthu bot jongki ki pulit ki layo kurup ru ya ki suloi ergon naki unong elam kaliang persya mantagasngi ula banjur halo ka jing don kam bantokit halo ka jingidai hapdeng kini ki brieu ki bala syakyam bat kitu ki badon ha ka bor da ka memaham ru ha ka juk ko por ba yakum kini ki jingja omdei ban ailat bakin suthiet hapo jela Meghalaya.
I think it's alarming that it shouldn't become a trend. We must nip it in the bud. So authorities must invariably put the people under scanner and look at the circumstances and the background as well. No, security at which point of time? You see, security bandobast is always done, always scaled up based on the situation, based on the inputs. So that's the job of the police. Now, I'm sure they must be having all kinds of inputs to see. It is expected to have all kinds of inputs as and when necessary so that they will be able to ramp up their security bandobast.
Kidekot jong ka seng samla laumali pelun kilayo kiam ya arngut kinong di drog hnen kemiet. Kini kibreu kila syong hapo kawai ke kali bela penyang hajan ke Pasteur Medical College halaumali Block 1. U Vice President jong ka seng samla u Bomperlang lendem ula ong baladap IT no yakini baro arngut syaki pulit. Agaju kapor u President jong ka seng samla maulai pelun ula penpawe ka jing khuslai jingmut jong u hakabe dai bat ka pulo kabela kelalong ka ketem na ka benta ki kam khayi bat kam di drog bat ula kenturu badai bandon ka jing pet ngor ka bakam perking arsha.
Ikerpat dengan tim jongka ANTF balada long bakin wan dan pet yakani than jumi hakapulu bakin checking khamha nama ba ti bakani kapulu kalong gum ka penja squad mar ki chandi drop si ki bana ele la poi hani pulo ban check ni drop kumba kila kumba ki hi pe ba sakhi hi pe ba baro dada ki ya dijen ki salia so ini ru hangi hapulo wala da kidan ki traffic police na kidan ki nu hantai lu kim salia ma kya dia drop from di kwa je tempo te ang kumtagi bani ka sarkar la kalong ka bala ba kan pit bahai ka ni ka area hani mon makare kidan ti pa ka jing snan ni dan kam manya binyan te kumta hi ikarpat government ba subha ba kan pit bahai ka ni ka pulu bat among na pulu re ka area do ka lawli bat pulu ni mo
Kadorba shnong wa thabru kala sedang ke jing pun khut shnong ha po opu sam ka shnong jongka hajan mot pran kane ke jing pun khut shnong la thumu om tang man pun khut ik lentia ke jat bat ki wei henrei ban te la kamru ik kam be an u president jongka seng kan thei wa thabru i kong s parian ila ong ba ka shnong kala la ban pun khut ha du riu trok ai ki nyut ki nyer ya kane ke jing pun khut shnong la le da ka jing rap jongka shlong municipal board Uwei urang ba ula sya kem nin kesngi ha kabe dei ba kajing sya thombo jong uwei usam lau badang arpundius nem kerta ha mau lentriang ka ba markhap bat kesnong mairang ha kan rutrik unailur uni urang ba ubala saupundius nem kerta udei u lenter rentathiang unsya set along na kabenta khat sau sungi u lenter rentathiang ula thombo ri uba bun siudor nongrang da ka kenjatiar ka benem Ka National Green Tribunal lani NGT kala pengat ia ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council katenat Road Transport and Highway bat katenat Water Resources kum ki saki hagabe dai bat kajing penjaklia ia ke wa mintedu uriu ia mariang bat unong ujor persha uba kru el pariat ula ong hinin gesngi ba ke GHADC kala don ketilang namar ba ka dai ka nong ri nong sumar jong ki jaka ki puta uba apariat uba deiru u presiden jong ka wei ka seng bahalang ka betrei na ka benta ka bah ka miat ka imlang ka salang aki saudong saukun jong ka wa mentedu ula ong ba katnat road transport ka don ka jingkit kli na ka benta ban snai ka surok bypass hajan jong ka ni ka wa bat ka water resources ka penbit penbiang ia ka jing sam ya ka umbam umdi ka jing bishar ka bakhat do da ka NGT kan long ha ka khatnyo torik urisau Ya kish ing kishuru jong urang ba balaja rangai lalap na kawai ka khalau hari boy hinen kasngi ya unia ubriu la itu kum uba Carlos Tron uba la sapun rius nam karta udai na kashnong Omar hari boy bad ulaja rangai na do ka khawai trek ubnai jeliu ki bahayeng bahasem jong u kila dab ban itu ekamet badangsa jong u menta kasngi ki pulet kila lap ya ka jan phong bad ka mobile jong u na jan kini kish ing kishuru ha kawai ka khalau ka badon hajan ka 6 battalion ha umran nyang beri hari boy. Ka office jong ri boy district medical but health officer mentaga sngi kala pelong ia ka jingilang patba banwan ra jing tip halor ka jing rakhi ia ka sngi World Suicide Prevention Day. Hadin kania la penbut sadaka jing ya kren hagaba ki nongishim benta kilat ki lanti bat yada na ka benta ka bha ka miat bat ban bathat jubor ka jing im la pelong ru ya kene program sam jem tip aki weipat ki benta jong ka jelaru la pelong ya ka jing emer jingmut ha ampati menta ka si ha ka bala pelej jingmut ha ka ban thau jingkermen lemba ki kam ki jam ka deputy commissioner jong ka South West Garu Hills ka Hema Nayak ka la kren halo ka jing don kam banwan ra jing tip bat men penduna ya ka men CM iben ikena school bat kino hikai jong ka school Springfield High Secondary School ha ampati ki la pelong ya ka jing ya patba hinin ka sngi Kibo penya jong South West Khasi District ru kila pelong ia ka jingya patba hnen gesngi ha ka ba ki de khot jong ka kanhun self help group kila wan benishim bentalang Kibo penya jong ka West Khasi District kila pelong ia ka program capacity building training hapo katanat panchayati raj hnen gesngi na pedeng ki relation benta ki dei ki nong trai asha ki de khot jong ki kanhun self help group bar ki nong elam shnong na keleng ki shnong nong ston ba ki nong ishim benta kila banjur halo ka jing don kam jong ka kot ka jing khia ka bha ka miat bat kila ongru ba ka long kum ushabi jong ka long yeng long sem ka bakmen ba wan ra ru e ki em lang sa lang ka baroi ba par mentang ini pej kajing long jingman ke semedeng hatura kajing kriat kalong apsan degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong apra degree Celsius kajing sengam gau hau kalong prapun riu nak shispa haba pai pat shnong ba shlong kajing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong apra degree Celsius kajing sengam gau hau kalong prapun yau nak shispa ba kajing hap slap kalong khat sun point khandai millimeters kabah hajwai bat kajing kriat kalong apra degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong apra degree Celsius kajing sengam gau hau kalong khandai pun riu nak shispa bagajing half slap kalong 0.2 millimeters. Kelak bandon kajing half slap bagajing tiad upertat hagi babon ki jaka hatura shelong bat jawai. Syaban poi syek bekut jong tup kubon ni pek biang sa isien kini kimat bakongsan. Pembenar TNPP yau limasan sangma kum ukutong sembut lampang jongka kersyam konrat ekarai jong seng Gento umukul ya kerai ke soka ban siu ya ketulok pinong Tray District Council kena belek kam sain pertai. Mentau senam on sedang bantai ke yang besar remdor ke bersispa san folklor tingkah umyam ong menteri ketnat jengok kai pertai ba pol lingdo. Bat kwa uba apol ya ki kenhun penyak taksi jong ke Meghalaya bat Assam ban penbej ya ki jing air. Ong ba ke sokar ke Kershan ya ki taksi ke Jelah. Teparlok katuing lapoi bekut jong tup kubor jengi mentaka janmiet haduk mendesyam flashai kesi ha ke jok po kubli shibuni pi barok.
To implement the immigrants' expulsion from Assam Act 1950. Briefing the media in Guwahati, Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma said this is a landmark decision to make a faster and easier process to detect and deport illegal immigrants. He said the Supreme Court had earlier indicated that Assam government is free to use the Immigrant Expulsion from Assam Act 1953 to detect and deport foreigners.